Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Caroline again, and for today's video guys, it's about full face makeup using cheapest makeup products. So I am using liquid foundation from Kiss Beauty that I bought from Shopee for only 65 pesos. So I'm going to blend it using this brush that I bought also from Shopee. It's only 105 pesos and may kasama na siyang 9 brushes guys. What I love about this liquid foundation, it gives natural looking to my skin. And lightweight lang yung coverage niya and nako-cover naman niya yung some of my blemishes to my skin. It gives really natural glowing effect to my skin. And may kasama na siyang face powder guys. And yung brush naman guys, ang lambot ng brush niya. Masarap siyang gamitin sa skin as our concealer para i-cover yung blemishes ng aking skin. So ginamit ko ulit yung brush na ginamit natin kanina. So ayan guys. Next, gagamitin natin yung face powder ng aloe vera face powder from Kiss Beauty. So, itatap lang natin siya guys. So far, ang ganda-ganda ng product ng Kiss Beauty kahit very cheap lang siya. Guys, magkikilay na tayo. I'm using eyeliner eyebrow pencil from Maya. It's really cheap. It's only 10 pesos guys. So, ito na yung pinaka-easiest way ng pagkikilay guys. So, usually, hindi na ako nag-drawing ng kilay ko. Since medyo makapal naman yung buhok ng kilay ko, binifill in ko na lang siya and then I brush it by EB Cleopatra Eyebrow Pencil Brush. So, ito yung brush na gamay ko na. And madali na lang siyang i-brush when I use it. So, that's it guys. So, sa dulo ako nag-uumpisa kilay. And then, tsaka ko siya binabrush. So, guys, pag nagkikilay kayo, huwag niyo masyadong kapalan kasi medyo mahin. So, since medyo mapal naman yung kilay ko, kinakalat ko na siya if dun sa dulo, tsaka ko na siya ibabrush. Para magmukha lang siyang natural. So, that's it, guys. Guys, gagamit tayo ng eyelash curler para magmukhang buhay yung ating pilik mata, lalo na bago kang tulog. So, para magmukhang lively yung eyes natin at magmukhang mahaba yung ating pilik mata, kailangan natin ng eyelash curler. So, hindi na tayo gagamit ng mascara. So, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng mascara kasi kumakalat siya sa eyes ko. So, next guys, gagamit tayo ng face contour from Dodo Girl Professional Makeup. So, ang mura lang neto guys. I bought it for only 65 pesos from Shopee. So, gagamit tayo ng brush na nabili from Shopee. So, ayan guys. Gagamitin natin yung unang color nitong palette na to sa pag-contour ng nose natin guys. So, optional lang to. If gusto mo na medyo maging slimmer yung nose mo, you can use contour. You can have a nose contouring. If ayaw mo on your likeness. So, that's it guys. Next guys, I'll be using Eye and Face Palette from Dodo Girl Facial Makeup Professional. So, may kasama na siyang eyeshadow and blush on guys. So, gusto ko yung color ng blush on niya. It really looks natural. It's like authentic blush on na ang ganda niya talaga guys. I really like the color and even the eyeshadow color palette as well. So, I'm also using the blush that I used before. So, that's it guys. Lalagay rin tayo ng eyeshadow sa ating pilik mata to make it look elegant and beautiful. So, eye and face palette to the Girl Professional Makeup. It's 2-in-1 guys. It's very cheap. I bought it for 65 pesos I believe from Shopee. So, I'm going to apply the name of the seller of this eye and face palette Do the Girl Professional Makeup to the description box or sa kanya. So that's it, guys. So guys, next, maglalagay tayo ng lipstick sa ating lip. So, I'm using Maya Matte Lipstick from Maya. I bought it for only 35 pesos. So, for me, parang kamukha niya yung Everlamp lipstick in the shade of hot pink. So, for me, kahit cheap tong product na to, for me, it's like a lipstick talaga. I really like the color and sa lips, scented din siya at matagal din siyang matanggal sa lips, guys. So, that's it. So, ayan guys, ayan na yung ating final look using makeup na chip contour my face. So, gagamitin natin ulit yung Beauty 12 Professional Makeup Face Contour Powder. Hi guys, so this is our final look using cheapest makeup product. I hope you like it. Please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So that's it guys. See you in my next one. Bye!